Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to compare Motorola G73 versus Redmi Note 12 with full specifications like display, design, performance, and two benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Motorola G73 has a 6.5 inches screen, while the Redmi Note 12 has a 6.67 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Motorola G73 comes with IPSLCD display, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a full HD plus resolution. Motorola G73 has a 405 pixels density, while the Redmi Note 12 has 394 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen-to-body ratio, Motorola G73 has 85.6%, while the Redmi Note 12 has 85%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Motorola G73 comes with Panda Glass display protection, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with Gorilla Glass 3 display protection. Let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Motorola G73 has 161.4 mm, while the Redmi Note 12 has 165.8 mm. Motorola G73 has 73.8 mm in the width, while the Redmi Note 12 has 76.21 mm width. Motorola G73 has 8.2 mm in the thickness, while the Redmi Note 12 has 7.98 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Motorola G73 has 181 grams, while the Redmi Note 12 has 188 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Motorola G73 comes with two different colors, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with three different colors. Now let us compare about the camera and its features. Motorola G73 has a dual camera setup, including 50 megapixels primary lens and 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, while the Redmi Note 12 has a triple camera setup, including 48 megapixels primary lens, 8 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and 2 megapixels macro lens. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Motorola G73 supports up to full HD resolution at 30 fps, and the Redmi Note 12 also supports up to full HD resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Motorola G73 comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera, with full HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with 13 megapixel selfie camera, with full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's do the hardware comparison. Looking at the processor, Motorola G73 powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 930 chipset, while the Redmi Note 12 powered by a Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Motorola G73 supports up to octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed, while the Redmi Note 12 supports up to octa-core 2.0 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Motorola G73 comes with IMG 256, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with an Adreno 619. Let's compare the operating system. Motorola G73 comes with Android 13 operating system, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with MIUI-based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage. Motorola G73 comes in a single variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, while the Redmi Note 12 comes in a 3 variants, 4GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Motorola G73 has 5000 mAh, and in the Redmi Note 12 also has 5000 mAh. Motorola G73 supports 30 watts fast charge, while the Redmi Note 12 supports 33 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Motorola G73 comes with the NFC support, while the Redmi Note 12 doesn't comes with the NFC support. Motorola G73 doesn't comes with an IR blaster, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with an IR blaster. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Motorola G73 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 version, while the Redmi Note 12 comes with Bluetooth 5.1 version. Let's take a look on the benchmarks. In a Antutu benchmark score comparison, Motorola G73 has scored 420,917, while the Redmi Note 12 has scored 368,318. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Motorola G73, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at $18,999. Redmi Note 12, the 4GB 128GB variant is priced at $17,999, and 6GB 128GB variant is priced at $19,999. and 8GB 256GB variant is priced at $21,999. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.